equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed guide on appliance repair. Today, we'll walk you through the essential steps to diagnose and fix common appliance issues. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. First, gather your toolkit. You'll need a screwdriver set, including Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, a multimeter for electrical testing, and a set of pliers. Having a clean workspace is crucial, so ensure your area is tidy and well lit. Now, let's dive into the first step, diagnosing the problem. Start by unplugging the appliance to ensure safety. Check for any visible signs of damage, such as frayed wires or loose connections. If you're unsure about the issue, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This can save you time and effort if the problem is complex. Once you've identified the issue, it's time to disassemble the appliance. Use your screwdriver to remove screws carefully. Keep them organized. A magnetic tray can be handy for this. As you take apart the appliance, take note of how everything fits together. This will make reassembly much easier. Next, let's focus on cleaning the internal components. Dust and debris can cause appliances to malfunction. Use a soft brush or a vacuum with a nozzle attachment to clean out any dirt. If you find any parts that are particularly grimy, consider using a damp cloth to wipe them down. Remember, a clean appliance runs more efficiently. Now, let's address any faulty parts. If you've identified a broken component, you'll need to replace it. Make sure to source the correct part for your appliance model. If you're unsure where to find it, we can assist you with a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. After replacing any faulty parts, it's time to reassemble the appliance. Follow the steps you took during disassembly in reverse order. Ensure all screws are tightened properly, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. Once reassembled, plug the appliance back in and test it. If it's working correctly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your appliance. If it's still not functioning, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your appliance. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution at your doorstep. In summary, appliance repair can be straightforward with the right tools and knowledge. Always prioritize safety, and don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to mastering your appliance repairs. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.